Hi. My name is Michael Nicholas and I'm the owner of US Janitorial Services. Our company specializes in cleaning restaurants and food establishments for nearly 25 years. In today's video we are going to review how to get your restaurant kitchen clean and hygienic. 1. Determine what needs to be cleaned. The best place to start is to go through and identify what needs to be cleaned. In order to clean up your home or office, you need to have an idea of what needs attention. This might include dusting the shelves, cleaning off the tops of tables and desktops, sorting through papers on your desk, or scrubbing the bathroom floor. The same principle applies when it comes to organizing files on your computer. 2. Gather all the necessary tools. We will need to gather all the necessary materials for a cleaning session to be considered successful. The following list is a basic list of supplies that any cleaner should have. Bucket and a mop. Gloves. Vacuum cleaner, with attachments for hardwood and carpet. Paper towels and microfiber cloths, rags, and squeegees. Trash bags and garbage can liners. Bucket or container to carry supplies. Gather all the necessary materials for a cleaning session to be considered successful. 3. Think ahead and create a plan to help you prevent messes from happening. It's smart to have cleaners on hand before you host a big event. The road to success is never a straight line. You have to be prepared for any obstacle that might come your way. If you know ahead of time what might go wrong, you can plan ahead and make sure that it doesn't happen. An example of not thinking ahead could be when someone has a hard time getting started on a project because they don't know where to begin or they're not sure who should do what. 4. Remove items which can't be removed easily and clean high traffic areas with disinfectant. To keep a restaurant kitchen clean and tidy, you need to clean some of the things that cannot be removed easily. You need to steam clean high traffic areas, such as carpets. It might seem like a daunting task at first, but with the right tools and know-how, it's not difficult at all to keep your business place as tidy as possible. 5. Start cleaning from the back and work your way forward. The easiest way to clean any room. Since we know that we usually have a lot of dirt and grime, it's best to start from the back and work our way forward. This will help us finish cleaning faster because we are not spending time on areas that have already been cleaned, not to mention you won't be trapped in a corner waiting for the floor to dry. Conclusion: your restaurant kitchen needs professional help to stay clean and hygienic all year round. It's important for any restaurant owner to find an experienced, reliable, and trustworthy cleaning company. Deep kitchen cleaning and sanitation process are crucial for the success of your business. The kitchen is the most important area of the restaurant to keep clean and hygienic for staff and customers alike. And don't forget to throw away the trash. US Janitorial, providing premier commercial cleaning services. Visit us at usjservices.com. Or give us a call at 1-800-210-6069 to learn more or to schedule an appointment. We will be more than happy to assist you.